Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by logging into your Spacehey account and going straight to Settings then Appearance. This is where Layout controls live. Once there, make a quick backup of any custom HTML or CSS so you can restore if needed. Next, open the Layout or Theme tab and scan available presets. You will pick a base layout to modify. Make small initial choices, grid, single column, or sidebar, so you have a clear starting point before deeper customization. Now you modify the concrete pieces, rearrange modules, change column counts, and set width so the page reads well. While you edit, toggle header and avatar options and decide whether the sidebar should be fixed or collapsible. These choices affect navigation and visual focus. Once you adjust spacing and typography, use the built-in preview to view both desktop and mobile layouts. Make incremental saves as you go so you can compare earlier versions and avoid losing a configuration that worked better. Finish by saving and applying your chosen layout so visitors see the update immediately. After publishing, click through your profile pages, test image placements, and verify mobile responsiveness. Make sure menus and links work across sizes. If something looks off, clear your browser cache and test in an incognito window. This rules out stale files. If issues persist, disable browser extensions or revert your copied CSS temporarily. That single trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.